What we are going to do today is to show how to perform very simple, very basic cluster analysis using the new tools in FlowLogic. And we are using files that are already built with a gate, so we can really compare straight away the result. So we can set up all event, define event. We are going for 10%. Important to rename the parameter to have very short phenotype. And now the first things to do is collect the singlet, so clear data, and add the singlet to the selected. So all the cluster and phenotyping will be performed on this selected. We rename the parameter, the first step. We can be done manually here directly. We did already. And then we export the resulting file. So we can reload the file for multiple occasions. So we get the parameters. We have two files. We load this one because we have TCRB and TCR. So this is the file for TCRB. We apply, and now we are ready to go for clustering, phenotyping. So what we do now, we delete the parameter that we had before, that were the parameter that we set for the gate. So we click add again, and we see that now we have the new set of parameter set up for us. We can compare the gate with the cluster if we want. So FlowLogic is extremely flexible on this. So we do the clustering with 10%. We have two types of phenotype, MFI1, MFI, which is normal cluster, normal distribution like Gauss, and phenotype using FMO, which is like a gate. So now we load a little script that we have built, and in the script you can see that we have the phenotype that we are looking for with the formula that we are looking for. So we want CD45 plus, TCRB plus, and CD8 plus. And the same, but we want the CD4 plus. So we can get the intermediate, med, low, high, but okay, we keep simple for now. So we apply, and immediately you see FlowLogic display on the screen what we call the splitter. So we split the data from positive and negative. We can change the y-axis, so we can see the data in a different way. Here we have the gate as a reference, so we can use the gate to align the splitter. And here we have the CD4. The splitter is already in the right position. We can apply to all the files selected, but for a demonstration, we go to the next file. So you can see that we apply the same splitters in the same position to the next file. And you can see everything is done correctly. Now we click all, and we apply to all, and we extract two populations, the CD4, CD8 population for our files from all the files. So we have 5 files, so we'll get 10 populations, CD4 and CD8 for all. And we did the extraction. How you can see for the extraction immediately, we did the 10%, that almost matching the total number of events that we get with CD4 and CD8 with the gating strategy. So now what we do, we go to our table, we select the phenotype that we want to analyze and import in a global. We select CD4 and CD8 negative, and CD4 negative and CD8 positive. And we add to global. We add it to the global, so we go to global. And here we have already all the markers set up for us, all the splitters set up for us. We can choose what we want to display. We display data, and in all permutation, we want to having the data in all permutation. So CD4 positive, CD8 negative, vice versa. CD4 negative, CD8 positive. We want to see all the cluster. This is an example for the singlet, how many clusters we have in the singlet. And this is clear example of what you can, how quickly you can do the phenotype. Thank you very much.